Hey cleaning family, it's Carolyn Arellano, your cleaning business mentor. And in this YouTube video, I am going to be sharing with you my top 10 reasons on why you should have a professional website for your cleaning business. So be sure to stick around. I first want to start this video off by saying thank you to all of my subscribers and anyone that has contributed to my channel's growth over the last couple of months. I recently hit 4K subscribers, and I am just so full of joy and grateful for all of the love and the support. If you find my videos educational, inspirational, and valuable, please be sure to hit the like and the subscribe button. Also be sure to hit that notification button so that you're notified each and every time I upload a new YouTube video. I will start off by saying that I do understand that not everybody has the capital to invest into a professional website, which is totally fine. So if you're going to go ahead and build your website or use one of those free websites, such as Google, that's absolutely fine. I always say that having something is better than nothing. However, once you do start getting these cleans coming in and you can put some money aside, I would say that investing into a professional website is super freaking important. I don't want you guys to run any Google ads or any form of ads to a website that is non-responsive, that doesn't have all the information, and then you're kind of just wasting your money. Number one is an online presence. A website establishes your presence on the internet, making it easier for potential clients to find your cleaning business. Now, 9 times out of 10, anytime a consumer or a client is looking for a new product or service, where do you think they're going to head to? The internet, right? If not a referral, they're going to go to the internet to do their research and see what is available in your area. So having an online presence is key to getting more business for your cleaning company. Reason number 2 is credibility. A professionally designed website conveys trust and credibility to your potential clients, showing that your cleaning company is legitimate and reputable. Now, just think to yourself how many times you have Googled a product or service that you were interested in, and you did find a company with a Google My Business profile that just didn't have a link to a website. How did that make you feel? Did you end up calling that business? Building credibility for your clients is super important. If they see that you have a professionally built website with all of the information that they are looking for, they're going to know that you care about your business and are legitimate. Now, my third reason on the list is an information hub. Your website serves as an information hub where your clients can land and find out all the information about your business. It's going to be very convenient for them to be able to click on each page, read through the different services, and see exactly what is included, what the pricing is like, and so forth. The more information that you have on your website, the absolute better. Reason number 4 is 24/7 availability. Unlike offices or stores, your website is accessible 24/7, allowing your potential clients to inquire and book your services at any time, even outside of business hours. I love waking up in the mornings and seeing these online bookings coming in. Now, believe it or not, there are clients that will book between the hours of 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. when others are sleeping, right? Like I'm in bed by 11 and I'm up by 6. But there are people that do book online, night owls, people that find the time and the peace to finally, make these appointments that they're looking for. So by you having your website, you're technically open 24/7. Reason number 5 is online booking. Implementing an online booking system for your website streamlines the appointment scheduling process, making it more convenient for both you and your client. Now, this is a really, really important one, you guys. Now, this is for my residential house cleaners or those that do residential and commercial. Now, online booking forms are a way for your clients to easily go onto your website, check pricing, and literally book online. They're able to view how much the price is quoted. They're able to input their credit card information and literally book the job. Okay. Online bookings have absolutely been a huge part of the success that we've had with our cleaning business because people simply go onto our website and book themselves without ever having to speak to any of our staff members or even ask many questions in the live chat. If you're a residential cleaning company and you do not have online booking forms implemented onto your website, you should absolutely go ahead and do that. Reason number 6 is customer reviews. Websites provide a platform to showcase your customer reviews and testimonials, which can help you build trust with your potential clients. Now you might ask, well, how am I going to get my customer reviews onto my website? Now there are third-party platforms that you can integrate with your website or have a web designer put a code onto your website, and it's actually going to pull over your reviews from your Google My Business profile. Now, a tip that I have for you guys is when using a third-party platform like this, please be sure to filter the reviews, meaning that when you're pulling the reviews over from your Google My Business, be sure to check that little box that says only 5-star reviews. And I say that because I made that mistake when implementing that into my website. I didn't click 5-star reviews, so all of the reviews were showing the 1, 2, 3, 4s and anywhere in between. Reason number 7 is marketing and promotion. You can use your website to promote special offers, discounts, and seasonal cleaning services, attracting new clients and retaining your current clients. So marketing and promotions. Now, how can you utilize your website in that manner? Number 1, you can showcase what type of discount you're offering, right? It could be a new client discount of 10%. It could be maybe a special that you're running, for the month. Christmas is coming up, Mother's Day, Father's Day, you name it. You can absolutely use your website to market and promote your business. Reason number 8 is targeted marketing. Through online marketing techniques like SEO, search engine optimization, you can target specific keywords related to cleaning services in your area, making it easier for local customers to find you. Now, what does that mean? By using specific words for the industry in your area, by having those words repeated all throughout your website, words such as deep cleaning, move in, move out cleaning, recurring cleaning, basic cleaning, residential cleaning, house cleaning, apartment cleaning. I'm just trying to think of all these different words. Post-construction cleaning, those types of keywords, having those on specific pages on your website is going to help you find your local customers that are finding you, right? So think to yourself, what would somebody put in Google when looking for a cleaning company near me? And then have those words featured on your website. Reason number 9 is competitive advantage. Many of your competitors have websites, and many of your competitors do not have websites. Having a well-optimized website can give you a competitive advantage in the cleaning industry. Now, it's interesting because when I first started my cleaning business, a lot of cleaning companies did not have a website, not even a one-pager. And now I'm noticing from doing my market research that more and more cleaning companies are implementing, having a professional website, having that information out there. And it couldn't make me any freaking happier. So keep that in mind, that having a professionally designed website, whether that's for commercial or residential, is, one of those reasons is to have a competitive advantage. And then real quick, I just want to go backtrack a little bit to the online booking forms. So if you're a commercial cleaner, I know you can't have online booking forms because people, you need to do walkthroughs in order to understand what you're going to price, but you can have a lead form on there, meaning a form stating, if you'd like to have a free quote done, please fill out the following information, and then you can gather the first name, last name, email address, and physical address so that you can perform that walkthrough and then go ahead and quote your client. To reason number 10, which is analytics and insights. Websites provide tools to track user behavior and gather valuable information about your audience. This data can help you refine your marketing strategies and improve your services. Now, what does that exactly mean? Now, on your website, when speaking with your designer, you can ask them to add a Google Analytics code onto your website or embedded. Meaning, and also Wix has their own analytics if you have Wix or if you go with Wix as your web host. Now they'll have analytics showing you, what areas your clients are from, what pages they're clicking on, what their retention rate is, how long are they staying, and on what pages and where they're dropping off. Now that's going to help you understand their behavior and gather valuable information, right? If somebody's bouncing off one of your pages fairly quickly, that's going to come to your attention and you're going to think, well, why are they leaving the page? Why are they not booking? Let me go take a look. And it could be something as simple as updating the SEO. Maybe some of these buttons aren't working and so forth. In today's digital age, not having a website is just not an option. It's a necessity for businesses that are looking to thrive and expand. If you guys are interested in getting a free quotation for web design services, please be sure to click the link down below and schedule a free 10-minute consultation with me, as I am a web designer and have built many a website for cleaning companies in my area and around the world. I hope you guys found this video educational, informational, and valuable. Until next time, cleaning family.